everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to pop on and just do a very quick video. I have already coated this glass bottle with the Home Decor Crackle medium, and then I'm going to go over it with frosted glass. It's a FolkArt product, and I am doing this in the Sapphire color. I will be using a one-stroke brush, and we will get started here. Hopefully you can see this. Again, it's just a very quick video to show you how easy it is just to apply this over the medium. And then if you want to just leave this as the design for the bottle, you can, or you can paint a design over the top of it, thus giving your bottle a better chance at having a good coat of paint on it, because you have a base coat, and then you're applying, a nice design over the top of it. Or because this is crackled, you're going to be able to see through it. Plus it's frosted, so you're going to see through it anyways. So either way, you're getting a pretty design, something that'll look pretty with lights in it, because that's what I typically do. I want to start doing some bottle cutting and doing some different designs, but haven't gotten to that point yet. Hopefully that'll be coming soon, because you can actually make some pretty neat items out of these glass bottles. Great for turning something from trash to treasure. And I'm just trying to get up here good into the neck of the bottle. Again, you just don't have to be too picky with it, because I'm going to probably end up painting over these with a design. But I thought, people are asking for something besides flowers, which if you follow my channel, you know that's what I paint. I'm not really into other kinds of designs, to be honest with you. I have a love for flowers. And it's crackling as we speak. I put it on pretty heavy at the beginning, so I guess that's something you need to probably watch, how heavy you're putting it on, that you mirror that as you go around the bottle. Don't really work this or overwork it too much, or you're going to ruin it. So just be careful. If you touch spots that have already been painted. Alright, you can see that it's crackling already. Again, this will be pretty with lights in it, or going over it with a design. Alright, told you this would be quick and simple. If you like this video, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up. New to my channel, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and before you go, please share this on your social network with all your family and friends. You'll see the share button that's underneath the video. It's pretty easy. Just go ahead and share it. I would appreciate it. Until the next time, please stay safe and healthy, and have a good one.